Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2016 Ford F-150 XLT in blue jean. With automatic headlamps, fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, tow package, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 50,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, split folding rear seats, 5.0-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number P5766A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.